Hi children. So how are you all doing? Good? Yes. So ready for your mathematics class? Okay. So I can see how many children are there. Okay. Yeah. I hope it improves by the time passes. Okay. Yes, children. We have already done with the first part of practice time, and I want to just speed up the things because this lesson should be finished, I suppose, before the winter break. Let us see if it is possible, right? That's why I'm taking extra classes also. So, we are doing B part of this now. Screen is not clear, ma'am. Nobody else is writing that. Only Rakshita has written. I think there should be some problem at your end only, not here. Class is Bhavna Yadav. Yes, I am very much here. You can see Bhavna Yadav. Is your net not working? Chati says all clear. Natik says all clear. Yes. Okay, let me take this. The fencing of a square garden is 20 meters in length. The fencing. Have you ever heard of this word fencing? Yes, I can see you are all present. Now listen to me. Okay, yes. Have you ever heard of this word fencing, children? Fencing. Your mommy gets the gardener to fence the boundary of the garden. So what is this fencing? Fencing. Yeah, Rajan Joshi. What is the meaning of fencing? Fencing. It's something to do inside the garden? Is it to make boundary? To make boundary comes Monish's answer. Right, Monish? It is boundary. It is boundary. And when you play several games in the playground, you make boundaries. You fix the boundary. Oh, see, the ball should not go out of this boundary, isn't it? You say, na, you fix your rules before playing. So you fix a boundary for the particular game that you're going to play. We also have boundary around our garden. Very good, Rajan. Okay. Yes. So if you have a garden, your own garden, then you know that your mommy or papa will ask or they themselves will do the fencing of the garden. They'll put some wire or some other type of fencing, right? So that it is protected, right? So children, this word, if you pay attention, the word fencing, boundary are similar in the sense they are talking of the outline, the length of the outline. Okay, right? This fencing generally is done in gardens, okay, in parks. In the park, some fencing is there, some small wall they'll make, okay, or fencing wall we can call, fencing wire, or fencing, we put up some bushes also. So like that, okay. So this fencing and boundary. So children, these are when these two words come. What I said, when these two words come, fencing, boundary. Here in the lesson also you can see area and its boundary. Area, you know now that when we find the area of a rectangle, it is length into breadth. Okay, it is length into breadth. And the area of a square is side into side because its length and breadth both are same. So we have to multiply its side by its side, right? So here it says area and its boundary, means area and boundary is actually for perimeter. Children, you have heard this word before, and I Suppose you have done it before also in class 4, boundary, which is perimeter, children, perimeter. The sum of the length of all the sides of a plane picture or plane shape, right? Is that clear? So this is boundary, this is fencing, this is perimeter. So when we are using these three things, words, so we are dealing with the same thing. Okay. Now here the fencing of a square. Now this is a garden. This is a garden and it is square in shape. As you can see the shape of the garden I made here. Okay. It is square in shape. All the sides are same. Right. The fencing of a square garden is 20 meters. Fencing means starting from this point, children, we come to this end, from this end to this end, this end to this end, this end to this end. The total length, this is called fencing, this is called perimeter, this is called boundary. Okay? Is that clear to everyone? Okay, children? So he says that the perimeter, not using the word perimeter, but he means perimeter. He said boundary. He said fencing. He could have said boundary. He could have used word perimeter. Now we have written perimeter is equal to 20 meters. Now perimeter is this. If it is A, this is, children, square. So this is also A. These are all equal sides because it is a square. And perimeter of this is A plus A plus A plus A, and that gives you, children, 4 multiplied by A. Okay, 4A. Okay, 4A means 4 multiplied by A. A, what is A? A is the length of one side. You can also use S. You could also use S. S means length of one side. Length of, this is S, means length of one side. Okay, children, this is S, this is S, this is S. So the total length of the boundary, which is called perimeter or fencing, is 4S, and this is equal to 20. Okay, children, this is given to you. Look here. What is given in this question? That perimeter is 20 meters and perimeter of a square is equal to 4S. Okay, 4 multiplied by side. So question says, how long is one side of the garden? One side of the garden. This is question mark. This is what he is asking you to find out one side when the total length of the boundary, total or perimeter is given to you. Right. So what do we do? That 4S is equal to 20. Is that clear, children? What do? We write 4S is equal to 20. Yes. P is equal to 4S is equal to 20 meter. Children, this 4S means 4 multiplied by S is equal to 20. When we write 4S, that means 4, there is no sign between 4 and S. It is 4 times of side, and side he is asking you. Clear? So this is 4 multiplied by side is equal to 20. And now we have to find that what is the value of S. I think in the previous some lessons also I told you about transposing, if you remember the word transposing. We have to find the value of this S because this is the only unknown term in this equation. This is an equation. Why? Why? Because you have an equal to sign here, you have left hand side, you have right hand side. This is an equation, and here this is 4, which you know 4 is 4. Its value is 4. This is 20. Here 3 terms are there. Out of these 3 terms, children, this term S is unknown. Its value is not known. This is what you have to find. And when we have to find the value of a term, we need to keep that particular thing on one side of equal to sign, okay, and the other known things will go to the other side. You got me? We have to find the value of S, children. We have to find the value of S. Along with S, on this side we have 4. We need to send 4 to the other side of equal to sign. See, learn how to do the calculation, how to go further. Okay, coming right to the answer is not something that you have achieved. How do you go with that? You should learn that, okay, the proper way. Children, now this is 4 multiplied by S. We need to find the value of S. We keep S there itself, and on the other side 20 is already there. Where has this 4 gone? We have to send it to the other side. And as I told you previously that when we change the side of any term, it goes with an opposite sign. It goes with an opposite sign. So children, here this 4 is going from left hand side to right hand side. It is going from left hand side to right hand side. Okay. So this is going this side, and here it is being multiplied. Can you see, children? And when it goes to the other side, it would be in the denominator. It will be divided. Here it will be divided. It will come in the denominator. Okay. Now 20 divided by 4. How much is that? How much is that? Yes, division. So that is 5 meters, children. So the side of this square garden is 5 meters. Okay, children? And I put an outline which shows that I have written the answer separately. 5 meters. Yes, Naman, Sangeeta. Yes, Mimansa. 20 meters divided by the number of faces of a square. Okay, number of sides, not number of faces of a square, children. Not number of faces. Who had written that? Number of sides. Okay. Charvi, yes. Mimansa, Yashvi, Ritu, 5. Kaviranjan, 20 divided by 4, 5. Yes. Riddhi, okay. You have understood the concept? Have you understood this? Bhushan, 5 meters. Kiranshi, 5 meters. Anya, 5 meters. Charvesh, 5 meters. ठीक है. Good, children. Good. 4s is equal to 5. Alam Ali is, what is it? 20 divided by 4. Yes, understood. Okay. Khyati says, yes, understood, ma'am. Okay. So, this is how you will do the question. Got it? I come to the C part of this, children. Look here. We'll do the next. Look here, children, we'll do next part of the same exercise, C part. See the C part of this. You want me to write the question on the blackboard, or can you refer to the question from the book itself? Just tell me. Should I write the question on the blackboard? Should I write the question, or I should come with the solution? Tell me in your comments, please. We can refer. Okay. Okay. Monish says we can refer from book. Okay. Okay, but okay. Thank you. I got your response. Yes. So I am seeing that maximum children has written. Write the question on board. Okay. You want me to write that also? Oh. Many are saying no need to write. So I would go with a maximum number of children. Okay. You can refer to the question, children. You can refer to the question from book. I don't think only 2 children have written write it. It's one thing is that it's going to waste some time as well. Okay. Maximum children are writing no need. Okay, children. Now see, I am reading this question to you and you also read it. A thin wire 20 centimeters long. Now it is 20 centimeters in this question, children. Okay. A thin wire 20 centimeters long is formed into a rectangle. Is formed into a rectangle. What does it say? See, this is a wire. Can you see this wire? Can you see the wire in my hand? Okay. So this wire is formed into a rectangle. Okay. Like this, children. Rectangle. This length of the wire is 20 centimeters and a rectangle is formed with it. Like this, children. Okay. Like this. Because I have only 2 hands, so I am not able to make the fourth side of it. But if someone holds it here, then I can show you that this would come like this. Okay. Okay. I hope I am clear. I am trying to make a rectangle. Yes. Okay. Like this, children. Somewhat like this. Can you see this rectangle? Like this wire is there. Yes. We can see. Okay, children. So there is a wire piece which is length of the wire is 20 centimeters, children. And with that wire, a rectangle is formed. A rectangle is formed. Okay, children. Like this. The wire is like this. A rectangle is formed like this. Like this, like this and like this. Okay. So this is the rectangle and the length of the wire. Length of the wire means wire started from here. We put a turn here, again turn the wire, again turn the wire and it is coming up to this. So he has given you this length. What has he given you? Perimeter or area? What has he given? Janvi, what is the problem? What is the problem, Janvi? Do you have any problem? Please let me know in words. I don't understand this language. Any problem, Janvi beta? क्या problem है बताइए? Yes, perimeter. No, ma'am. Okay. So you are happy, Janvi? Perimeter. Yes, children. You are given the perimeter of the rectangle. He says length of the wire which is used to make a rectangle is 20 centimeters, means the perimeter is 20 centimeters. In the previous question, children, if you remember, the square garden was there, it was 20 meters perimeter. This is 20 centimeters, small rectangle is made with the help of the wire. Now another thing is given in this. If the width of the rectangle is 4 centimeters, find what is its length. Width is this, children. This is width. This is 4 centimeters. If this is 4 centimeters in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This also has to be 4 centimeters. What is perimeter, children? Perimeter of a rectangle. It has got one length plus 1 width plus 1 length plus 1 width. 1 length, 1 width, 1 length, 1 width. Okay, this is the perimeter. So in short we can write it has 2 lengths plus 2 widths. Okay, it has got 2 lengths plus 2 widths or breadths. Is that clear? Now this is equal to children 20. You are given 2 lengths plus 2 breadths is equal to 20. Clear? Now out of this you are given the breadth. B is given to you. B is 4. Children, B is 4 centimeters. So you can write 2L plus 2 into 4 because B is given to you is equal to 20. Clear? Is this much clear to you? Tell me, is this? Please don't conclude the answer. If you know the answer, keep it up to you. I am not teaching 1 or 2 children here. 60 children, many children are watching this. So please be attentive and listen to the question that I am asking. Blackboard is not clear. Taruna, I don't think that is a problem. All others are I think are clear with that. They don't find it difficult. Lakshita, have I asked you that? No, na? Wait, Lakshita. This is 2 lengths plus 2 into 4 because breadth is given as, he has given width of the children. One more thing, breadth or width, they are similar words used for same. Okay, same things. Okay, either it is width or it is breadth. Okay, so he is talking about same, right? So here this is breadth which is 4. So children, you can write 2 lengths plus this multiplication of this gives you 8 is equal to 20. He is asking you what is the length of the rectangle which is formed with 20 centimeters of wire. He is asking you length. In the whole equation, this equation, y equation, equal to sign is there, left hand side is there, right hand side is there, it is an equation. Now in the whole equation children, what you can see is that L is the only unknown thing to us. 2 you know, 8 you know, 20 you know. You have to find the value of L. And as we did in the previous question also, we kept the unknown term on one side and all known terms we had sent to the other side of equal to sign. So what you will do children? 2L is equal to 20. This is 8 plus here. And when it goes to the other sign, it would be, right now, write your answer. I want it here. It would be, let me see who comes with the first answer. 20 minus 8. Yes. Come on, give me your answers. Kathy, I didn't ask you that. You give me the answer. Avni, I didn't ask that. Bhushan has given me the answer. But I want many more to come with that. Rudransh, I didn't ask that long. 20 minus Sangeeta, yes. Prajna, yes. Prajna, Natik, Sangeeta. Mimansa, what is 6 centimeter? I don't know. Mehul, it's going quite fast. I can't see that. Yes, Janvi. Kaviranjan, yes. Yes, children, when it would go to the other side, it would be subtracted and you would get 20 minus 8. Okay. So this would be 2 length is equal to, how much is that? What is 20 minus 8? 12. That means children, this length, 2 lengths. L plus L, two lengths they are both, when we are adding L plus L, we are getting 2L, and that 2L is 12. That 2L is 12. Okay? And what is this? What is the sign between 2 and L? What is the sign between 2 and L? Give me the answer. Don't write such big things. I am not asking you to write anything like that. You just, yes, multiplication. Division. Sangeeta is saying division. No division. When there is no sign between 2 and L, what is that? Bhushan is saying multiplication. Vaibhav is saying multiplication. Yatharth, multiplication. Siddharth, multiplication. Lakshita, no. Multiply. Mimansa, yes. Asha, Giri, yes. Ayan, yes. Prakhar, yes. Yes, children. This 2 into L is equal to 12. So, how do you find L? How do you find L now? What will you do? What is the next step now? In the previous question it was done. Now you tell me what will be the next step. How will I find L? Yes, Bhushan. 12. Who has written that 12 divided? Yes, yes, oh, it's going very fast. My God, I can't see that. Yes, many of you have written division. 12 divided by 2. Yes, Kathy. Mimansa, divide. Sangeeta, divide. Division. Yes. Kaviranjan, 12 divided by 2. Bhushan, 12 divided by 2. 6. Yes. 20 minus 8. Rajan, what are you writing? Yes, children. So, many are giving right answers now. So, this would, when it goes to the other side, children, you have to divide it. Divide, you get 2 in the denominator. 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So, you get length is equal to 6, and obviously, this is 6 centimeters because this total length was 20 centimeters. So, children, here L is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 centimeters. This is what he asked you. I have also another easy method. Yes. Yes, children, this is the correct method, and if you have understood this, please write yes. If you have not understood, then I'll think of explaining by some other method, or I'll explain this again. Is this method clear to all of you? Yes. Yes. Charvi, is there any problem? Yes. Okay, for Charvi, because all others are saying understood or yes. Let me explain this again for Charvi. Okay, children, look here. In this question, a thin wire, we take a thin wire and we form a rectangle with that wire. The length of this wire is 20 centimeters. Okay, Charvi, this is only for you because you had written no. Not understood, Bhavna Yadav is saying. Okay, children, if you have not understood, I am taking this again. This is a wire like this. This is a wire in my hands and I have a 20. Don't see this part of it. See that I am holding the end points here. This is 20 centimeters of wire. Now with this wire, I form a rectangle, children. Okay, I form a rectangle. I put it like this. I put it like this. Okay. Then I put it like this. And then I come to this. Here, like this. Okay. So this is a rectangle. I'll show you once again. I'll show you. Just hold this. Hold this here. Here, here. Yeah, here and here. So this is here. This is here. And then children, this is here. Can you see the wire now? This is a rectangle formed with the wire. Okay. This wire I think you can't see on the blackboard because wire is also black. But you can see this now. This. I am keeping here. Had I got the wire of some other color, I would have shown you, but I don't have, unfortunately, I don't have wire of some other color. Okay, children, I think you got my point. Thank you. So, children, this is a wire which is 20 centimeters long, and we have formed a rectangle with this. All of you know that a rectangle is made of 4 sides in which 2 are length and 2 are breadth. These 2 are length, these 2 are breadth. He has given you the 2L plus 2B is equal to 20. 2 lengths plus 2 breadth is equal to 20. He has also given you one more thing and that is the width, the breadth of the rectangle. He says that the width, it is given here. If the width of this rectangle is 4, this is 4 centimeters, children. If this is 4, the opposite side which is also width is same, 4 only. So, in place of 2b, we can write 2 into 4 because breadth is 4. So, I have written 2L plus 2 into 4 is equal to 20. Now, from this you can multiply 2 into 4, you get 8. In the next step, you get 2L plus 2 into 4, 8 is equal to 20. No other change. Now, you see, we have to find the value of L. We keep for a while 2L on this side and send this 8 on the other side. Yes. So, see, sir has brought this wire. I will show you the rectangle from this now. See, can you see this wire now? This wire, a thick one, and color is also white. So, children, we form a rectangle with this. Okay, like this, okay, and then like this. Can you see the rectangle now? It is a white wire, though the sides are not very straight coming, but you can understand how the rectangle is made. Clear, children? So, okay, thank you. So, this is how the rectangle is made with 20 centimeters of wire. Okay, I was here. I have to find, you have to find the length of the rectangle, right? You keep this for a while here, and this 8 has to be sent to the other side of equal to sign, because as I told you, the unknown terms will be on one side, you have to find its value, and all known terms have to be sent on the other side. Okay, so when this 8 goes to the other side, here it is with plus sign. When it goes to the other side, it is called transposing. It is called transposing. It goes with the opposite sign. So here it comes 20 and this is 20 minus 8, which gives you 12. So 2L is equal to 12. Right. Now 2L is equal to 12 means that this is 2L. 2L means 2 multiplied by L. Now 2 also is a known term which has to go to the other side. Why? Why? Because you have to find the value of L and only L has to be on one side, others have to go there. Okay. So this 2 has to go to the other side. It is being multiplied here. When it goes to the other side, it would be 12 divided by 2. When you divide 12 by 2, you get 6. So that means length is 6 centimeter. This is how you find the length of the rectangle. I hope I am clear. I want answers from Charvi and Bhavna. Yes, these two. I want the answers from Charvi and Bhavna. Please tell me, is it clear now? Where is Charvi and Bhavna? Charvi and Bhavna, where are you? Now give me the answer. Charvi, 6 length, yes, 6 centimeters. Yes, Charvi, 6 centimeters length. And where is Bhavna? Yes, madam. Okay, thank you. You have understood. Good. We come to the next question, children. We come to the next question, D part of it, which is on page number 149. 149. Okay. There is a carom board. I think you people are also playing carom these days because you are not going much outside. So you play carom board at home, right? I suppose so. Okay. A carom board has a perimeter of, yes, children, look here. This is D part. There is a carom board and it is a square carom board. Carom board is generally square only. Look here. This is a carom board, right? What is it? Carom board. I love to play carom board. Do you? A square carom board has a perimeter of 320 meters. It's side, side, side. Square, so there is no length or breadth. It is only side. Yes, yes, okay. So you love to play carom board, right? You love to play carom, right? Okay. Children, now the question is, what he has given, Tanmay Mudgal? He is saying that the perimeter of the carom board means this perimeter. Nothing about inside. Nothing about inside he is saying. He says perimeter of the rectangle is 320, should be centimeters, yes. Centimeters. Okay. How much is its area? He is asking you area. He is not asking you side. He is not asking you side. What is area of a square? Give me the formula. What is area of a square? Yes, Swati is saying, yes ma'am, I like to play carom board. Okay. I'm so much. Okay, Taruna. Okay. S square. S into S. Yes. Monish, Khyati. Yes. You are right. Kritika, side into side. Very good. Natik, side into side. Into is not written like that. Natik is right, but into, this is not English into. ये नहीं चलेगा. This is not English into. Okay. Side into side. Yatharth, Nihitarth, right. Ayan, Sangeeta. Okay. Ritu. Bhavna Yadav is saying yes, side into side. Mimansa, Prakhar Giri, yes, Alam Ali. Good, good. Multiply side by side. Yes, Charvi, yes. Children, area of a square is side into side, or you can say side square. Okay, okay. Now, side into side means you should know side. And from perimeter, what is perimeter of a square? What is perimeter of a square? What is perimeter of a square? Formula? 4s. Yes, Bhushan. 4s. Perimeter of a square is 4s, which is equal to 320 centimeters. That means he has given you the value of 4s is 320. So what is the value of s? Means side. What is side? Yes, 4 into side. What is side then? What is this 4 into? This is 4 into multiply. 4 multiplied by side. So when this 4, what will you do? Kaviranjan, yes. 320 divided by 4. Good. So what do you get? What do you get? Mimansa says 80. Yes. This is 4 ones and this is in the table of 4 8 times and this 0. So 80. Yes, very good. S is equal to 80 centimeters. You have got the side. Yes, Yashvi, 80 centimeters. Bhushan, 80 centimeters. Sangeeta. Sangeeta is going ahead of it. I didn't ask you to do further. Yashvi, yes. Okay. So, this is, side is 80. Now, area is equal to S into S. Okay, so what is S into S? S is 80. So 80 in, yes Alamali, 80, yes. So 80 into 80, that would be area because our S is 80. So area would be, what is 80 into 80? Don't sit back and multiply 80 into 80, just multiply 8 and 8. 8 and 8 gives you 64. Put the 2 zeros behind. 6400. So that is what? Unit. Unit. Sangeeta is saying centimeters. Khyati is saying centimeters. I'll write centimeters. Is it right? Mimamsa is not writing any unit. Khyati is writing centimeters. Kaviranjan is okay. Kaviranjan is saying SQ will come here. Yes, Kaviranjan, you are right. Bhushan, what are you doing? SQ, square centimeter. Why? Because this is 80 centimeters. This is also 80 centimeters. So, centimeter multiplied by centimeter will be square centimeter. Area will always be in square. Either square centimeters or square meters, or if it is the area of a city or town or state, it would be in kilometers or miles. Square kilometers, square miles, like that. Square, because you are multiplying meters by meter, centimeters by centimeters. So, area unit is square centimeter. This is the area. Understood? Just give me your comments. Understood? 80 into 80, 64 centimeter. Yes. Yes, Khyati, Siddharth. Yes. Bhushan, you are 6400. Alamali says yes. Natik says understood. Naman says understood. Clear to everyone? We come to the next question now. E. Or shall we take tomorrow? It is 45 now, 43 or 45. Tell me, you want me to take the question, next question now, E or tomorrow? Tomorrow? Now or tomorrow? Nat, इतना फास्ट जा रहा है, देख ही नहीं पा रही मैं क्या लिख रहे हैं. Understood now, Priyal, Bhushan. It will take 10 minutes time, so I think many of them are saying now also, many are saying no. What is the time right now? 45, no? Okay, I'm done. I'll take tomorrow, beta, sorry, yeah? I'll take it tomorrow because I'm also tired of speaking. Okay, bye-bye for the day. Take care. Love you.